Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick hair wig installation featuring Hairspells hair company, you guys. So right now, this is my dilemma. I want to look cute, I want to change up my look, but I don't have the time. Like, I literally have no time in my schedule like I used to prior to having kids, especially when they started school. My life revolves around them. Like, I'm taking them to school, I'm showing houses regularly. I am taking them to cheerleading practice 6 out of the 7 days out of the week, amongst many of the other things that I'm doing as a very busy mom. So what do you do? And this is kind of like how the whole once you become a mom, you kind of let yourself go thing comes into play. But I don't want to do that, and I want to show you ladies one of the ways that I don't do that, and that is checking out companies that make life easier. And this is one of those companies. So from start to finish, you guys, we're gonna see just how long it takes to install one of their top wigs from their hair site. This is a glueless unit. This is supposed to be the creme de la creme. So let's go ahead and see what, okay, I didn't already took it up. Oh no, I didn't. I was about to say I messed it up already, but yeah, so there is the wig. And inside here is a wig weaving cap, and then this is just like a get connected with us flyer. So we're gonna just sit that down right here, and we're gonna take this out. So this is my first time actually wearing this company. I've never worked with them before. I've never saw their hair before, so I'm really excited. Let's see, because I have worked with some really good hair companies, especially when it comes to the hair itself. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the connect with us tag off. And there were a few features about the wig that kind of stood out to me, which was this is a glueless 9x6 HD wig, and it's wear and go, and I think that's it. Yeah, those are the things that stood out to me. So y'all, when they say wear and go, I want to wear and go. As you can see, if I roll out of bed in the morning, take my bonnet off, whatever, got my little hair cap on, like, I want to be able to put my wig on and get the heck out the house. I gotta get my kids together, so sometimes sacrificing myself is what I have to do. But so this is supposed to be one of the wigs, y'all. She's supposed to be one of the girls, so we're gonna see. So inside of here, it is one of the infamous hair bands, so you can adjustable. I mean, I'm talking about you can adjustable. You can adjust the band for the shape of your head. And you know, I got a pretty small head, so I typically keep it, and I like it to be secure, especially when it's glueless. And then I love when wigs have this. So far so good. Okay. And then I do see that it's already pre-cut and everything and ready to go. I see that it's tinted right there, but I am, per usual, going to go in and add just a little bit more powder to the wig, to the wig itself. So this is the powder that I use for all of my wigs, and I just go in with my nice little brush, y'all. This brush is taking me places, y'all. So this is kind of like the difference right here versus over there. So like I said, it's already pre-tinted, but everybody ain't the same complexion, y'all. So you are good to go as far as like really not needing to bleach or anything, and it's lifted so the knots won't look harsh when you are putting the wig on. Now I'm going to just take the wig like so, flip it over, and then I'm going to just slide it on my head. It's nice and snug. I didn't mean for it to like flip like that, but I kind of like that. Like, I really like that. I'm gonna take my parting comb and part her. Oh my God, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. But of course we do gotta do a little tweaking. But fresh out the packaging, she's that girl. She's that girl. She's that girl for sure. And I definitely don't think it's gonna take much. This is just something I'm about to do for my own preference, because this isn't even the part that I just made. Like, this is a really good scalp. So this is definitely ready to wear 100% out the bag. And making sure you just add whatever powder that matches you to just, you know, get it a little bit more blended is definitely ideal. So y'all make sure y'all do that. And then I can add some more of my powder over there. I just kind of wanted to just play around with my part. So this is what that looks like. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. Now I need to wet the hair. So let me get my spray bottle and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna still keep this side flipped over. I'm literally just going to, cause I like the fullness of these curls, but I still want to be able to do a little wet test just to see the behavior of the curls once it's wet, and kind of just like how that looks. And then I also did get some mousse. Ouch. My favorite mousse. Well, I don't have a favorite mousse. I just added that adjective for no reason. All the mousses that I typically have picked up all work. But I always share what mousse I'm using in the video just in case somebody wants to get it. I feel like we need a little bit more mousse towards our edges. I mean, not our edges, our ends. Like so. And then of course I can just take my nice little brush and brush through to kind of see what that looks like. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is, let me go over what it looks like with adding the product and the water, or having the hair just be free and ready right out the packaging. And I do want to give a finished look, so let's go ahead and just finish it up. If you like the wig, and y'all know what I mean, then leave me a comment below and let me know. And then also head on over to my description box, check this company out, and I'll have a coupon code waiting for you guys. Let me know if you guys have ever heard of them and tried them out before, but I'm pretty sure after this video y'all definitely will. Hey y'all, so this is a few days later. After wearing the wig, I wanted to come back and kind of give y'all another little update of how I think of the wig, and it is definitely holding up very well. It's still glueless. I did not glue it. Where's my comb? Where's my comb, y'all? I did not glue this bad boy down. Y'all see this? Like, I can literally just take the wig off and you literally have no clue whatsoever, like literally whatsoever. And I just think the curls are really pretty. I absolutely love it. So y'all go ahead and check them out. Everything will be in the description box below.